Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Today we're reviewing the 2012 Ford F-450 Lariat. We've only had a few of these due to limited production here at the dealership, and this is the first one on our YouTube channel. Equipped with 17-inch aluminum forged wheels, shown in one of 24 color combinations. I'm going to give you a little bit of a review of the 2012 Ford F-450 Lariat. We're going to go over the basics, you know, the engine, the interior, exterior, of course. We're going to give it a little bit of an exhaust clip, as well as a test drive around the lot, so I hope you enjoy. Like all Ford trucks, the performance is impressive. The F-450 comes with a standard 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel with 400 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Add this to the Select Shift 6-speed transmission, and the F-450 can tow just about anything. Standard towing allots for 17,500 pounds of towing capacity and a 24,500 pound fifth wheel towing capacity. Surprisingly, while great with towing, the F-350 Super Duty allows 1,850 pounds more in the bed, still allowing for about 5,200 pounds to be put in the back of the F-450. Top it all off with trailer sway control and heavy-duty suspension and alternators, and this truck is ready for everything, which makes it the best in class for towing and payload. Expect about 16 miles per gallon. Let's go inside and get an exhaust clip. So we all know how powerful, versatile, and straight up awesome the F-450 looks on the outside. So it's about time we go inside. Spacious leather back seats with power windows, 8 speakers with a subwoofer behind the seats, cup holders, of course, a main concern, 110 volt power outlet, as well as an auxiliary jack to charge up everything else, rear vents, storage compartment, as well as the back of seat storage. With the front seat comfortably positioned, I can enter and stay seated in the F-450 crew cab with very spacious room up front. Lots of legroom in the back, space for 2 cup holders, as well as 4 additional ones up front. Not to mention an optional sunroof. The F-450, as well as every other Super Duty, is equipped with 6 airbags, lockable under-seat storage, keyless entry, power locks, power windows, and power scoping mirrors, as well as 2 driver position seat memory. It also features a 10-way power seat for the driver, as well as the passenger. Dual zone, climate control, rear power sliding window, the F x4 off-road package with skid plates and lots of other great off-road features, as well as the LCD productivity screen. Control everything from the push of a button on your steering wheel. You can see your instant fuel economy as you drive, different truck apps, including a trailer checklist, which allows you to check everything that you're ready to go before you hook up a trailer and start going. USB auxiliary ports, as well as sync by micro, and as much memory in the jukebox as an iPod. iPods aren't your thing? Try a CD or a DVD in the in-dash LCD screen. High definition and Sirius radio allows you to listen to 130 of your favorite music channels. And what's a truck if it can't get you to your favorite destination on time and the right way? Ford navigation is a great option to have, and it's equipped in the F-450. And lastly, a very spacious center console for all of your things. I've showed you everything from the exterior, interior, to the exhaust. So now we're going to take it for a drive around the lot. Alright, so here we are driving around the F-450 Lariat, and this thing drives like it's a Lincoln or a Cadillac. Really comfortable interior. very simple to drive for such a large vehicle. The gross vehicle weight on this is actually 33,000 pounds, 3,000 more than the F-350, so it's a little bit better for towing, more confidence. This only has 6.4 miles on it, so it's as close to new as you can really get. I think I've put about 1.5 on it just driving it around the lot because it's so much fun, really. Not everybody has an F-450 as well. There's one in service right over there. But it's definitely a hot truck. You get the bang for your buck. Now, pricing for the Lariat Edition starts at $66,830. Compared to the F-350 dually comparably equipped, it's $54,850. So you're looking to spend about $12,000 more just because it's an F-450, but hey, in my opinion, if you have the money, I'd say buy it. You know, you can shift into four-wheel drive on the fly like every other truck from Ford, basically. And it's just really a nice truck. I can't complain. Open 3 garage doors. All programmable, so you don't have to carry around that big, bulky garage door opener everywhere you go. Very responsive power, 800 foot-pounds of torque, really gets the job done. Now, 800 foot-pounds of torque, you'd figure that you'd have to sacrifice on gas. Like I said, expect about 16 to 20 miles per gallon with the F-450, not something very common in big rigs like this. And the 6.7 liter diesel has really proven to be one of the quietest diesels I've ever driven. So, if you have any questions about this 2012 Ford F-450, give us a call at 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. We're located in Columbia, Connecticut, 234 Route 6, that is. Come visit us at columbiaford.com. We're a Kia dealer, so we're both on there for Ford and Kia, same website. And don't forget to like our Facebook page for all the offers and incentives that we have going on. We're always giving away some really cool stuff, so be sure to check that out and like us on that. And we'd love to help you out for all of your car needs. Sales, service, or just stop by to hang out sometime. Let us know. Thank you for watching. This is Topher the Demo Dude with the 2012 Ford F-450. Have a great day. If you liked the video, please subscribe.